discussing a very important topic, disappointment. Why do we face disappointment in life? And what is the solution to get rid of it forever? Hello, this is Mridula Lawrence, your miracle mentor, energy healer and life coach. When people come to us and we do sessions with them, we find out that the root cause of disappointment or any problem 95% of the time lies in the childhood, 0 to 7 years. That is a period where the subconscious mind is open, programs are created, beliefs are acquired, energies are formed, and then the entire life is built upon those energies. They keep on multiplying throughout life, and a lot of offshooting happens to other emotions like anger, sadness, blaming other people, not working too hard or working too hard, not getting manifestations done or putting your bars too low because you now start developing fear of being disappointed. So all these are offshoots of that one energy or that one program which was created somewhere down the line. It is always easy to understand with other people's example. So let me give you my example. When I was facing a lot of disappointment or things were coming to me, but with a little tinge of disappointment, when I sat down to work on it, I just closed my eyes and I went into a trance to find out what exactly and where exactly are the energies stuck up. And so beautiful it is. I reached back down when I was 1.5 years old. So I could see a very beautiful little 1.5 year version of myself. And so beautiful it is. I saw a garden where my parents were standing on one side and I was on the other side, and I had barely started walking. So maybe just 1 or 2 days back I had started walking. So they were very excited and they were standing on one side of the garden and they were calling me, come, 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 come. And I was struggling and I was walking towards them, and when I almost reached them, they immediately shifted their side and they came to the other side. And I, as a little toddler, turned around and saw, oh, they have gone to the other side. And then I struggled again and started walking towards them. As a toddler, that walk was a struggle for me. And that was the point, because I asked myself, when was it that the first time I faced disappointment, and what is the root cause? What is the root of where this energy is coming up from? So I went to that stage. For that toddler, it was struggle to walk towards the parents. And at that point of time, 3 very important programs were created, out of which one was disappointment. And of course, the second was of mistrust. The third was you have to really work so hard to get somebody's love. Chuck off the love. So those were the 3 important programs got created at that point of time. That child wanted her parents to pick her up, hug her, kiss her, give a reward to her, but parents were so excited. It is neither their fault, it is not the child's fault, but it is just a perception of a little child and creation of energies. So those disappointment energies are inside of you. Now, if you are psychic, if you are sensitive, if you are creative, if you are intuitive, empath, then what will happen? You will not only face your own disappointment, you will also start absorbing other people's disappointment like a sponge. You will start imbibing the disappointment from the environment, and then those energies will become so heavy for you to handle, and then you will go into that low phase. Now, what is the solution to it? The solution is, first, you go back into that time and space, and we have to shift the energies of that point, of that scene, to heal that root cause. In the universe, we have no concept of time and space. And energy does not function in time. So you can go back to that stage and you can heal that or shift the energies of that scene. Because now what is happening is your outside circumstances and situations, your boss, your husband, wife, your child, your maid, your lover, anybody is showing disappointment to you, it's nothing to do with them. It has to do with you, because they are just your mirrors. That energy exists in you. They are just your mirrors, and they are just reflecting back what you hold in your energy field. Second, release that energy. Now, release can be done with the power of intent. Your intent has huge power. Just affirm and say, I command and I release all this energy which is no more serving me into that big sun. You can imagine a big sun on top of your head or in front of you, and just release. Just see that energy burning up, sizzling and burning up and destroying, disappearing, disintegrating in front of you. Third thing, give a command to yourself and go off to sleep. Your brain has a process of rewiring, readjusting. Those naps really help you. That deep sound sleep helps you cleanse you. Fourth, you can go ahead, walk on a beach. My favorite. I go ahead and I walk on a beach barefoot, and I just command the universe and I say, this is not how I was born. I wasn't born this way. This is not mine. So whatever is not mine, please take it away. The oceans, the grass, universe, just command it to take away what is not yours. This I have acquired and picked up on my journey. Fifth, focus your attention to previous times where actually disappointment led you to something very wonderful. So this is a very big assurance that universe is backing you at all times. And things are happening in your life for a reason. So get into that vibration of gratitude. Sixth, inhale perfect harmony. Exhale disappointment. Keep repeating it until you feel relaxed and free. Seventh and the last, if you are just not able to clear it with all the steps which I have explained to you, which I am sure you will be able to, then it is your life. Book a session with people like me. I am psychic. We are psychics. We exactly know what has to be done with which person, where we can check your aura. We exactly know where the energies are stuck up and how to get rid of them. On the spot tools and techniques specific to a person are created and given to the people to get rid of their issues fastest possible way. All the best. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more such videos.